Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we will make a very interesting recipe which is Nutri balls with Szechuan sauce. Now let's see how to make it.
The ingredients required are, firstly we have steamed Nutri like this, and these are very easily available in the market. Then we have taken some pureed tomatoes, bread, boiled potato, chopped onions, salt, red chili powder, some ginger garlic paste, tomato ketchup. Firstly, we will prepare the Nutri balls. For this, we will take our steamed Nutri. To this, we will add bread slice. We have crumbled the bread slice, so therefore the texture. And to make a nice binding, we will add boiled potato. We will add our seasonings, salt as per your taste, and a little bit of red chili powder. We will mix all these ingredients well, and we have made a nice mixture of all the material. We will divide it into small portions to give a shape of a ball. You can easily shape up with your hands like this, and similarly we have made all of the balls which are ready to be fried. You can deep fry it, but in my case I will air fry them in an air fryer. We have preheated the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius, and now we will place all our Nutri balls for air frying. We have applied a little oil onto the balls to avoid them sticking onto the air fryer mesh. We will air fry it for at least 10 minutes initially, and thereafter if required we can air fry it more. Now while our Nutri balls are being air fried, we will prepare the Szechuan sauce. For this we have taken little oil in a kadhai, and we will add the ginger garlic paste. In the ginger garlic paste, you have to ensure that the quantity of garlic is more than ginger. To this we will add chopped onions, and generally the Szechuan sauce which is readily available in the market, there mostly spring onions are used, both the white and the green part. We will saute the onions till they turn little brown and get tender. And to our sauteed onion we have added the red chili paste into it. The paste is usually available in the market, but if you have to prepare it at home, we can grind the red chilies. We can actually initially dry the red chilies available, and then we can grind them in a little amount of water, and that will give you a red chili paste. We will let this mixture cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And to this we will add the tomato puree into it. And we have to cook the mixture till all the water gets evaporated. Add the salt as per your taste. And to preserve the Szechuan sauce, we can add vinegar to it if you want to preserve it for longer duration. Otherwise, we can keep the sauce in the refrigerator for few days, and as and when required we can use it. So our gravy has dried up, and to this we will add tomato ketchup. We will mix it well and cook it for just 2 minutes. And meanwhile our Nutri balls have been air fried. You can see we have got a very nice brown color of the Nutri balls. We will add these Nutri balls into the sauce which we have prepared. We will mix it well so that all the balls get coated up. And we will add little water to it. Cook it for 5 minutes. So our Nutri ball with Szechuan sauce is ready. We will serve it with the help of a toothpick. We will pick up one ball at a time, like this, and we will place all the balls. So in this manner, we can put all the balls in a serving dish, and we can top it up with a little sauce as well. Although the balls are properly coated with the sauce, and we can further garnish it by using some onions. We can top the onions as well as the ball with little green chutney if we want. That's about it. So our Nutri balls with Szechuan sauce is absolutely ready to serve. Try making this recipe and let us have your reviews. Thank you.